Hello, I'm Sunny. Thanks for coming back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm a carpenter and I love working on home improvement and other DIY projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Before we get into today's video, I just want to quickly update you on my son Chris. As you know, he is the sole inspiration for this channel. He's being a hard battle with sepsis, but he's a fighter. He's getting married this weekend to his fiancée Princess, and they are excited to start a family. That is a beautiful thing to look forward to. Now, I want to show you what's next. This old table here, I'm going to modify and refinish this table, but I want to hear from you guys. What do you think? Got any ideas on how I should bring it back to life? Let me know in the comments. So if you like woodworking, DIY, or just want to support a good cause, please hit that subscribe button. Join me on this journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with that table. God bless.